I don't know exactly, but I think from the last year when they in third in World Championship, you know, the climate inside is changing, you know, and more maybe young players playing there, and we're a little bit lean all this, as you say, you know, not good climate, but and I think for each Lithuanian player to play at home, you know, you have chance one time in life. Maybe never more. And I think everyone wants to play, but me too. Why not? No, I don't know if I know. But of course we have problem now. We lost two players, Kleiza and Jonas Mačiulis, has big injuries, you know, and we don't know about Pocius. For our team it's difficult situation. It's, I mean, player from player starts, you know, and it's, I don't know how they do, I mean, or coaches do what replace, you know. One good is what this year we have 14 players a team. But, you know, this is possibilities into young players be inside and maybe some play or help team.